Bakit Dylan Minor yung screen name mo?
Well, yun yung totoong name ko talaga.
Talaga?
Yes, bro.
Oo,
It's my real name. So, screen name siya, pero it's actually then my real name.
Hindi ka ba nag-worry na, uy, baka gamitin nila yung name mo, ganyan?
Di naman. Well, entering this industry, I didn't really know na pwede ka pala mag-screen name. Or like, I wasn't given the chance na, uy, gusto mo ba magpalit ng name? So, wala. I started the career with my real name talaga. So, until now, ginagamit ko pa rin.
Okay naman eh, maganda. Maganda naman yung Dylan Minor. Oo, merong dating na. Hi guys, I'm with Dylan here. Dylan, ngayon ko lang nalaman na kumakanta ka pala. I saw him sing kanina guys live. So, oo naman. Paano mo na-discover na kumakanta ka pala?
Well, nung bata ako, mahilig na ako sa instruments. I used to play the drums when I was grade 1. Tapos pagdating ng grade school, mga grade 4, grade 5, ukulele, tapos high school, guitar. Pero di po ako kumakanta talaga. Pero naging hilig ko lang yung kanta pag nung pandemic. As in, dumating sa point na halos everyday nag-vocal lessons ako sa YouTube kasi gusto ko mag-improve ng pagkanta. Kasi hindi ako nagagaling. As in, wala talaga. Yung pandemic lang talaga ako parang na-realize na, oh shoot, gusto ko pala kumanta, gusto ko pala maging singer. And yun.
How about acting? Paano mo nalaman na gusto mo din pala to?
Acting? Paano nga ba? Actually, honestly, si mommy ko, she's a commercial model. Ever since bata pa siya, until naging adult si mommy. And isa siya sa mga nagbigay sa akin ng first project na commercial. And I was with her that time.
Nice.
Yes. So bata pa ako nung 12 years old. Ang problema, hindi nasundan kasi nag-focus na ako sa basketball. Basketball and studies. Yeah. Basketball studies. Tapos after ko college, that's when I started to, what if I try going back to commercials, tulad ng pagsama sa akin ni mommy before. So yun, commercials ako, as in sipag ako, lagi. May times na hindi ako nakukuha, may times na nakukuha. Basta sipag lang, eventually makakuha ka ng projects eh. And I feel like, dahil sa mga commercials na yun, parang gusto ko mag-improve kasi commercials, it focuses more on expressions, medyo OA, pero hindi man sobrang OA, pero alam yun, kailangan mo i-portray yung right emotion na makuha ng audience. Pero, so, dahil doon, parang, I wanna try na yung may script, yung may sinasabi talaga ako. So, parang it was a challenge for me na, okay, why not try to, divert into, or move or evolve into the acting naman. So, yun. Ever since nagkaroon ako ng first project sa acting, which is, ano nga ba?
Hindi ba baka?
Well, first series ko yun. Pero, first Filipino series. Pero, mayroon akong first project which is under Amazon Prime.
Sabihin mo sa kanila, baka panoorin nila.
Yes. It's called Almost Paradise. Almost Paradise 2, Season 2 siya. One episode lang ako, nag-shoot kami sa Cebu. I stayed there for 10 days. It was my first ever acting experience.
I didn't know how trivia yan, guys.
Hindi ko alam paano mag-rehearse ng tama, hindi ko alam how to study the role, study the script, study the story. So it was I think that series made me realize na okay, let's try, let's do it. Let's work on it pa para magkaroon pa ng maraming projects.
And speaking of maraming projects, ito nga may bago kang project. Sige, can you tell them what's your new project?
My new project is under Signal, MQuest, and Stages. And the microdrama is called Cure Called Love. I'll be playing Sean Santillan, and kasama ko si Mika Santos. She'll be playing Sandra. And yun, ang daming mga seasoned artists na sobrang galing.
Yun nga
so, ang dami kong natututunan sa kanila. And same with My Father's Last Wish, which is another microdrama. And I'll be playing Francis. Meron po
dalawa.
Meron po akong stutter doon, so hindi ko alam kung parang ganyan yun ako. It's a challenge for me kasi I had to study different roles, I had to study different stories. And it's exciting kasi microdrama is new sa Philippines.
Yes.
So, ayun, it's something to look forward to. So sana panoorin niyo po ang mga microdramas sa Signal Play.
Yes, thank you, Dylan.
Thank you so much.